Hi, this is Kylia from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make this feather keychain. So all you need is any keychain and then the macrame yarn. I linked to it on below. And first you need a long 15-inch one that you put in half and do a locksmith knot. And then you start with the feather using 4-inch sections. And you need 6 of this blue one, and all I did was just use some food coloring to dye this macrame yarn blue. So you put one below and the other one other way around above, then pull it under and pull the back one through, just like I'm showing. It's kind of hard to explain. So you kind of encase the middle strand. So one above and then under and above, and then you just pull tight. And that's the only knot you need. And those sections are 4 inches long, so then make another one, lay it below the middle strand and the other one above, and then you can just catch the ends in that loop and then just pull the ends through the bottom loop. Just like that, and then pull it tight. And I did 2 of the blue, and then I went into the white. And you can do, of course, any color. And then just keep going, doing the same. And then pulling tight. And pushing it up. And I just did 3 sections of the white, so always try keeping the same. So one above, and then just catching the ends in that loop of the second one, and then just pulling or pushing the ends of that second one through the bottom loop and pulling tight. One more white one. Pulling tight. And then I decided to do another blue section. Pulling that tight. And 2 more of the white. And just keep doing it always the same. Putting one underneath, the second one above, catching the ends in the loop and pushing the ends through the other loop and pulling tight. And I linked to all the materials in my description. So that should be enough. And then just so that the bottom won't fall through or something, just make a knot there. And then you can trim the ends a bit of that long section. And that's all the macrame you need to do for this. And now it's time to just comb out all the ends so that it's nice and feathery. This macrame yarn is really nice, that cord, because it has lots of individual fibers, but you really need to comb it nicely so that they're all separated and can really fan out. And I also have all the instructions how to really color that or dye the macrame yarn on my blog. So if you're not sure how to do that, then you can just read up on that. So that should be it. And now, because they're all, make it a little bit nicer, but as soon as you lift it, it would all be floppy. So it's nice to use this stiffening spray, fabric stiffening spray. Just spray it all over. and then let it dry and then see how it's nice and stiff. Now it's time to just cut them into a nice feather shape. That stiffening spray is really good. It makes it so much easier to cut and also to really look like a feather. And that's it. This is your feather keychain.